welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a crochet weave done on 4C hair. Let's get into the video. So as you can see, I'm just sectioning out the front portion of her hairline. This will be her leave out. This will allow the crochet hair to blend and look more natural. Once the edges are braided down, I'm going to start around the front part of her hair, just braiding small braids. It's important to put small braids in the front, that way you have more room to add the hair and give it a more natural look. But these small braids are going to transition to bigger braids in the back. As you can see, my client did not come with her hair detangled, so you're going to see her make a lot of faces like she's in pain, but I tried to tell her you have to detangle your hair. You cannot let your hair dry wet without detangling and or blow drying. So this is the finished look for the braid pattern. As you can see, the braids in the front are smaller and the braids in the back are larger. Now I'm just going to start crocheting in the hair. So what I do is I do the loop and tie method. Loop the hair and then tie it in 2 or 3 knots just to secure the crochet hair, to make sure it doesn't slip out or she doesn't have any shedding. Okay, now we can start adding the crochet hair to the front. The closer I get to her hairline, the thinner the hair strands that I'm going to use. So when you use thin hair strands around the hairline, it gives it more of a realistic illusion. So it looks like you can't see the knots because the hair is so thin, and it blends really well. It's going to blend really well with her leave out. Now for this step, I'm going to actually go in and I'm going to trim off some hair to make it just a little bit shorter. Then you're going to see me go in with the shears to kind of thin out the hair to make it a little less like full and poofy, just to give it more of a realistic look. Okay, now it's time to press her edges. I'm putting on some Design Essentials serum. It's a heat protectant. It's going to protect her hair, especially her hairline, against any type of heat damage. So as you can see, this is the final step to the look. Just make sure those edges are laid, especially when you're dealing with a client with 4C hair. You want it to blend as much as possible. So putting edge control, whether you have jam, gel, whatever you use, just make sure the edges are, you know, that it flows with the hair. And she's happy. She just loves crochet. So thank you for watching.